Welcome back! This is segment 2 of our 66 days trip in the Philippines. Before we dive into the video, here's a glimpse of one of our delightful dinners out at Digos in Cely's Cafe. It's one of the yummiest cafes here in the city. Okay, let's begin! In this video, we visited the Malagos Garden Resort in Davao City. There's so much to discover in this resort, and we're excited to share it with you. Cely was delighted to see birds up close and personal. These birds are so colorful. In this area, you'll see a lot of fishes, and they are big. I hope Cely will remember these moments. They are so worth it for us. And here, you will also see turtles. They are so cute. The place is really huge with lots to explore. We walked around and discovered so many amazing spots. Now, we're here at the Butterfly Sanctuary. Then we went to the museum to see even more types of butterflies. Sweetness at its best. Next stop, the Chocolate Museum. And guess what? We came across a sungka board. It brought back memories from my childhood. I loved playing this game. Cely truly enjoyed the memorable moments, and we hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please visit Malagos Garden Resort in Davao City. It's worth the trip, and make sure to visit early because there's so much to explore. Thanks for watching! Team La Bata!